Welcome back everyone to part 2 of our Tokyo trip to the Saitama Railway Museum. In this video we'll be exploring a variety of trains around Tokyo that Zane is especially keen to catch. We're starting off at Omiya Station, which is also connects to the new shuttle that we caught yesterday, the same line that took us to the museum. First up, we'll hop aboard a Hayabusa train into the city, which is one of Zane's all-time favourites. From there we'll ride a few more trains around Tokyo, including NEX, before heading south on a Nozomi train to Nagoya. Finally, we'll wrap up the journey with a JR diesel hybrid train back down to Yokkaichi. Come along and enjoy the fun! Come up here, Zane. We're in Hayabusa.
Oh, I can see this. I can see that. You see?
I see another Hayabusa out there.
Yeah, I can see that. We ride on Hayabusa that.
We're inside one of them.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Daddy.
Zane.
So cold in here.
It's nice.
Huh?
It's nice.
Nice. What's this?
It's power, so you can plug your computer in.
What's this?
That's so you can make your seat roll backwards.
Yes. Do you have a seat roller?
No. Stay here, Zane.
We're gone. We're so far.
Yeah. Denketsu! Yeah, it's gonna go soon. Look at how long it is.
Will soon arrive on track number 4. For your safety, please stand
And so long.
So
Oh, mmm. What happened?
I don't know that means.
That's so then people can walk through.
Yes. I joined. What's this?
That's the same, so you can push your seat backwards.
Yes. Hayabusa does too.
Mmm.
Hayabusa does this.
ご乗車ありがとうございます。
エリア行きが参ります。
ご乗車には乗車券の他に指定席特急券が必要です。
までお下がりください。
Subway train. We're on an underground train, Zane.
Yes.
So it's just a giant tunnel.
Yes. It's just a giant tunnel. The train can go down and then can on the next turn. It is like that.
Mmm.
See? It's left.
Mmm. Bye bye. It'll go in a second, there it goes. That's interesting.
The next departure
departure from track Owase, Kumanoshi, and Shingu.
Ah, yes. Hybrid.
This is lucky. This is a lucky train.
伊勢谷、紀伊長島、尾鷲、熊野市、新宮です。車内のご案内をいたします。前から4号車、3号車、2号車の順で一番後ろが1号車です。This is the limited
What's this?
number 7, bound for Shingu. This train will stop at Wana, Yokkaichi, Suzuka, Matsuzaka, Yaki, Isedani, Kii Nagashima, Owase, Kumanoshi, and Shingu. The front car is car number 4, and the rear car is car number 1. Cars number 2, number 3, and number 4 are reserved seats.
Ooh, there's the Kintetsu Express.
Train.
Yeah, the Kintetsu Express.
Are located in cars number number
Express.
3. Trash cans are available on the track. Free Wi-Fi is provided in every car.
What's this? What's this?
He probably wants to see my tickets, but they're back at the seat. You can't go any further than that, Zane, because that's for the driver. So we have to go back.
I'm not playing anymore. I'm not playing anymore.
So behind me.
We're almost at home.
Mm.
We're almost at home.
Mm.
Oh, this one goes at home.
Mm.
This one goes back home.
Yeah. There goes another train.
Yeah. It's so next.
No, that was the same train as this.
Huh?
It was the same train. It was another hybrid train.
Hybrid train.
Mm.
It was the same.
Mm.
Hybrid train. And they get them like that. See? See? It picked it up.
Mm-hmm.
There. Finished. Look at that.
Yeah, but you're going to need to take it off the train with me.
Come on, get off.
Yeah. Watch out for the gap. This is the hybrid train, Zane. Uh-huh. Do you want to watch it go? Mummy's over there waiting. Are you going to say goodbye to the train, Zane? Yeah, Mummy will stay. Train won't. Bye bye train. Bye bye train. Yep. Do you want to walk up the stairs, do you? Well, if this one is the end, thank you everyone for watching, and please like and subscribe. We're back at Yokkaichi Station now. We're just getting picked up by my wife, and she will take us back home. Thank you very much, everyone. Tune in for the next one. Station there. That's a cool container.